Yeah, my name's Michael Lane. Been in solar for about 17 years or so.
My name is Dominic Palerino. Started working in solar in 2017.
I was kind of born in the solar industry. My dad was first solar contractor in Florida.
I'm the assistant manager. Pretty much give Mike a hand with anything that he may need.
And my, family business was small, kind of family ran, which is kind of the same dynamic we have here.
Working with my coworkers and my team, it's a really positive environment. I've worked for large companies before, and it's just not the same. It's not a family company. It's just a machine.
You know right who to call, and you're not going to call an 800 number and hope for the best. We pretty much use Unirac when it's a job through us. Through the light rail and the standard rail that we have, and now their NXT rail, which is amazing.
Makes wire management incredible. Is very rarely ever a hanging wire. Prevents damage from critters. And then the flash locks are incredible. Cuts time a lot.
Unirac's been one of the bright spots. They've had all of our needs.
Well, the Miami-Dade certification definitely helps. It brings a lot of ease of mind to a lot of customers, because if you can get something approved in Miami-Dade, you can get it approved anywhere.
Every question I've had or any problem, they've seemed to really just come on board and get things taken care of for us.
The sun is your enemy. It's hot. The time savings from flash lock, which is great for the installers in the field. You save a lot of time, so it gets you out of the job quicker and still gives you the peace of mind knowing that it's not going to have any issues down the road.
Bob Heinmiller and Unirac. That's where better solar starts.